Hello traders, this is a special video where I talk about double high probability setup at key entry point. This will increase your win rate by twice if you use this strategy. And first the disclaimer, this is a learning video of price action analysis. I'm not a SEBI registered. And let's start. You must have seen my other videos where I've talked about HPS at KEP, that is high probability setup at key entry point, when where we look for certain bar pattern to form at 21 EMA, support or resistance or trend line, like second entry short when we are in a bear trend and fill second entry long when we are in a bear channel or bear trend. And when we are in a bullish trend, we look for second entry long and or failed second entry short. Okay, if you have not watched my other videos regarding HPS at KP, please watch them first, then come back to this video. And if you're already aware about what is HPS at KP, you will find it easier to understand this concept. There are five parts of puzzle for HPS at KEP, hyper setup at key entry point. The first is the market structure. First, we need to know either the market is bullish, bearish, or sideways. If the market is sideways and the market is in a range, we have certain rules for them. We have talked about them in past videos. Here we are especially focusing on trending market or when the trend is changing. Let me cover it. This is how we count the second entry long or first entry long. When the market is in the bull trend, we usually look for second entry long to form at key entry point. So here you can see on chart the market was bullish. This was the first leg up. Then we see a bearish leg and then another bearish leg. So after completion of two bearish leg correction, usually the buyers or the bulls will be trying to buy here. So they will be looking for second entry long formation and counting from long start with from the swing high. This is the first bar which broke the previous bar high. So this green bar will be marked as first entry long. And this bar broke the high of the previous red bar. So that will be marked as second entry long. This was the first entry long. The first time a high of a bar was broken, that is first entry long. This is the second time the high of a bar has been broken. But this is an inside bar, so I mark the mother bar as the second entry long. Okay, this is how we count for longs. For short, counting starts from the swing low. Counting from this swing low, you can see this bar broke the low of the previous doji looking bar, which is inside the mother bar. So I mark this mother bar as first entry short. Then this red bar broke the low of the previous red bar. That will be marked with the second entry short. Both the charts are same. Okay, and you can see this bar is second entry short here, and here you can see this bar is second entry long. If you combine these 2 points, then what we see, this is high probability setup at key entry point, and here this bar is the second entry short and it also failed second entry long. Those bulls who were thinking that they will enter at the second entry long on this bar will get trapped here. Here there is a resistance, there is formation of double top. This is the key entry point, and this bar is failed second entry long as well as second entry short. This is double high probability setup at key entry point. I will cover in the next few slides some examples, and then we will talk why this type of double high probability setup works, why, how you can identify. I will cover it later. Let's go to another example. Here again you can see that we are counting for long from the swing high. This bar high was broken by the next bar. So this is the first entry long, the first time bar high was broken counting from this swing high. So this is marked as first entry long. Then second time, this bar high was broken by the next bar. So this bar is marked as second entry long. Similarly, counting for the short, you can see counting from the swing low, this bar broke the low of the previous bar. So this bar is marked as first entry short. Then the second time a bar low was broken here. This red bar broke the low of the previous bar. So this will be marked as second entry short. This is the signal bar of second entry short. Here, what we have seen, the market is in the bearish trend. Market is falling, and there is two-leg bullish correction. But the previous trend was bullish. So the bulls will see that there is some support here. Previously, the market took support here. So they will try to go long on the second entry, long, like you have seen here. This is the second entry long. So they will get trapped here. I will be covering these points further. Here you can see if we draw a trend line or a trend channel, then this bar is the failed second entry long as well as second entry short forming at resistance and as well as trend line, and it's below 21 EMA. This is high probability setup at key entry point. This is double high probability setup because this is also the failed second entry long as well as it is second entry short. The bulls get trapped here. This is the third example. Here you can see the market was bearish, and then what is happening? The market is going up. Counting from the swing high, this bar, green bar, broke the high of the previous green bar, which is marked as first entry long. This was the first time the high of a bar was broken, counting from this swing high. Then this green bar broke the this green bar broke the high of this green bar, which has an equal low to this red bar. So this green bar will be marked as second entry long. Okay. Counting for the short for the same chart, counting from this swing low, this red bar broke the low of the previous red bar. So this pin bar is marked as first entry short, or you can say shooting star. Shooting star low was broken by this red bar. Then this red bar, hammer looking bar, broke the low of the previous green bar, which is marked as second entry short. Here you can see this was the first bearish leg, which was over when the first entry long formed, and the second bearish leg was over when this green bar broke the high of the previous bar. This bar broke the high of the previous green bar that marked as second entry long. Market moves on tool, so we are always counting the legs bar by bar. So here you can see on the same chart, this is failed second entry short as well as second entry long forming at support. The trend line is not valid, it needs three touch points. Here you can see this is the first, second, and third, but it was not very confident, confidential. You can say it is not very clear. So you can use the support line as the key entry point here, and you can enter the trade. This is double high probability setup at key entry point. Okay. We will go to the fourth example. Here you can see counting for the long, counting will start from the swing high. So this is the first entry long. This green bar high was broken by this pin bar, which inside this mother bar, which I have marked as first entry long. Then this green bar broke the high of the previous small green bar, which is marked as second entry long. We are counting from this swing high. Now the count will be reset, and counting will start from after second entry long. Counting will start from here, and this green bar broke the high of the previous red bar, that will be marked as first entry long. Then this green bar broke the high of the previous green bar, which will be marked as second entry long. Okay, and this is a new swing high. So counting for long will start from here, and this green bar broke the high of the previous green bar having a small wick, which is marked as first entry long. Then this green bar broke the high of the previous red bar, so that will be marked as second entry long. First it broke the low, then it broke the high. So this is marked as second entry long. Counting from this swing low, you can see this is marked as first entry short because this bar low was broken by the next bar. Then this green bar broke the low of the previous red bar, which is marked as second entry short. and the count will be reset. Counting from this swing low, this red bar broke the low of the previous red bar, so that will be marked as first entry short. Then this red bar broke the low of the previous red bar. This is the second time counting from this swing low. This is marked as second entry short. And what you can see here, this bar broke the high of the signal bar of second entry short. So this will be marked as failed second entry short. So this bar is second entry long counting from the swing high. This is also failed second entry short. This is advanced level of counting. We started counting from here. We are counting in both the directions. For counting long, we are using the swing high. For counting the second entry short or the first entry short, we are counting from swing low. Okay, so this signal bar or the single bar is failed second entry short as well as second entry long, and it is forming a trend line. You can see here is your valid trend line. This was the first touch point. You can see second touch point. This is the third touch point. So this is double high probability setup at key entry point. These are the four examples. Now we will talk about how to identify the double high probability setup. We will always find these types of setups where the these three things happen. The EMA cross. If you will see the past examples, every time the price was crossing from below to above 21 EMA or to below to above or to above to below. As you can go to the first example, let's go to the first example. Here you can see price was above 21 EMA. Then what we see, price went below 21 EMA. Then we go to the second example. Here also you can see the price was remaining above 21 EMA. Now it has gone below 21 EMA. Going to the third example, price was below 21 EMA and now the price is above 21 EMA. So you can go to the fourth example and all see here the price was sideways and now the price is above 21 EMA. Okay. And the second thing will be the trend change. Every time one side was getting trapped, as you can see in the first example. Let me take you to the first example. Here you can see there were bulls who were taking the price up. Then there were two-leg correction, and the bulls thought now the market will go up again. They got the second entry long here, and they took the position here, and they got trapped here because the second entry long failed. So the trend, you can see you can draw a trend line here, which will be bull trend line. Now you can draw so there is a break of previous trend line and a formation of new trend line. If you go to the second example, here also you can see you can draw, or I've not drawn trend line here, but you can clearly see there is a trend line which can be drawn, which will be bullish, and now you can draw bearish trend line. Okay. In the third example also you can see previously it was bearish. You can draw a bear trend line here joining all these highs. Now you can draw a trend line joining the lows, and it will be bearish to bullish trend line. Okay, so this is the second point, and the third point is entry failure. Every time we saw there was a failure of second entry long or failed second entry short, and we know if the market is bullish, we look for failed second entry short, and if the market is bearish, we look for failed second entry long. So one of the side was getting trapped, and let's cover why DHPS or the double high probability setup is so effective. It The first reason itself is the trap trader concept. Those trend traders who fail to identify that the trend is changing are trapped. They are looking for the price action and move in the initial trending direction, but the trend is already changing. They fail to identify that the price is moving from below 21 EMA to above 21 EMA, or the reverse. They have fail to see that the trend line has broken and the new trend line is getting formed. So these traders will get trapped here. Okay. If there is a bullish to bearish shift, like in example 1, previous trend was bullish, we saw failed second entry long. Bulls got trapped and their stop losses were hit. Closing losing positions add fuel to the bearish trend. Okay. And when there is a bearish opportunity, bears add to their position after second entry short. When they see two-leg bullish correction is over, they are convinced that the bearish trend has started. There is high probability entry point for new trend. So these are the three reasons why it is effective. They trap traders. Okay, there is a shift in the bullish to the bearish or the bearish to the bullish trend. Okay, and here are some advantages of one is the strategic positioning. Early entry into the new trend channel with a high win chance by moving against trap traders. You are entering a new trend or the new uh, market structure. Okay, you are entering early, so you have high chance of earning. You are getting less risk, more reward. Okay, and if you are an option trader, you will see a sudden spike in premium, and if you will manage your trade well, you will be making a lot of money. It is ideal for scalpers to quickly book partial profit while trailing stop losses on remaining positions. Okay, that double high probability setup entry combines structural trend analysis with trader psychology to maximize probability and capitalize on immediate price acceleration. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has added value. You can like and subscribe for more upcoming learning videos. Thank you.